dun, 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 dun. Welcome! I'm Alex Colorado, and this is
America!
Yes, I'm America, but this is Summer
Awesomeness!
Yes, sure. Whatever your name is. Okay. Now, here on...
Do you like peanuts?
Yes, everyone likes peanuts, okay?
I love peanuts.
Yes, we know. Okay, now here...
What's your favorite flower?
Now here on Stupid Jokes of America, here is
The Nerd Kid!
Yes, the Nerd Kid, weighing about 60 pounds. About 60 pounds.
Yeah, maybe 65.
He's 9 years old. His name is...
What's that 9-year-old kid?
Brandon, with the E, Colorado! He's on right here. Hello, guys.
Why did the cat cross the road? To get some pancakes.
Boo!
Why say boo to me?
Yeah, we want to. Now add a little trickery.
No.
Okay.
No, for real.
Now, one of y'all rulers say ABC. One of y'all say ABC.
ABC.
This is stupid.
Boo! I want my money back. All right. You have your money back. Okay. You did it.
Take your money.
C B A with the A with the B with the C. Hello. I said hello.
Boo.
You know what? I will sue you all. I don't even have a law account, but I'll sue you all.
What do you know?
Well, you're really bad. Oh, I think I got
No,
eggs in
for
my
real.
hand.
Wow, y'all are making a mess.
All right. Now, okay, that's all we have today for this weird.
Yeah,
Nerd
weird
Kid.
stuff.
See y'all tomorrow on
Awesomeness!
Stupid Jokes of America. Good night, America, and
Bye,
see you tomorrow, hopefully. Good night.
Bye.
And bye.
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 Stop saying bye.
Bye.
Wow.
Bye.
See you later.
We got the crackers.